Titanium bone implant is different from a typical orthopedic prosthesis. It's made using 3D printing technique and data is from the CT scan of patient. So size and shape of titanium bone implant is matched with individual patient. This is the main benefit of the 3D print titanium bone implant. It made reconstruction surgery possible for patients with bone defect in location that ordinary prosthesis is unavailable.
We are now focusing more and more into new materials, new metals, soft materials. We could print something like soft tissue, cartilage. We print ears for a patient who's missing an ear. We could print a heart valve in the future, hopefully. I think the endless possibility in the future. And titanium is just the beginning of our journey. And we hope to make a difference like that.
Unlock the science, encapsulating the scientific world with Chula Radio Plus.